A public health crisis is looming at the Mount Alvernia High School in St. James following a long-standing sewage problem made worse by Hurricane Melissa. TVJ News was informed that students and staff have been falling ill due to the sewage overflow on the campus, and so there are urgent appeals for the relevant authorities to intervene.
It's lunchtime at the Mount Alvernia High School in St. James, and students are lining up for a delectable meal. But outside, an ongoing problem that's working against their appetite: raw sewage that has taken over their playing field.
This smell has been affecting us for years.
But we were told it was made worse by Hurricane Melissa. The school's nurse, Joan Dixon, said many students and staff have been affected.
We have over 100 students with asthma. Now you know that once there is any pungent smells, it will affect those students and other students because the smell is nauseating. Teachers have had to leave the room because they too, in fact, one teacher had to end up going to the doctor because of the nausea that affected her.
The sewage has greatly impacted my learning, as we had to change classrooms on several occasions, and due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa, we have no space, so we have to stay because we can't disrupt our learning because it's almost time for our Caribbean exam.
And due to limited classroom spaces, we were told it's extremely challenging to relocate an entire block to other sections of the school that are not impacted by the sewage. To get the attention of the authorities, we were informed that several letters were sent to the National Water Commission to address the problem. But
they have visited, but I think what has happened is that it's just a temporary fix that has been actually done. So what we need now is a permanent solution to ensure that this doesn't continue to affect teaching and learning on a daily basis. So certainly I've added this as an agenda item for next meeting coming in February, where we will ensure that this is addressed and taken to the relevant authorities.
Please, I'm asking the relevant authorities to get involved so our learning environment can be safe. With all these flu-like symptoms going on and respiratory problems, please, I'm asking everyone who can assist and who are the relevant authorities to come and intervene.
in the meantime, we unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the National Water Commission.